Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Suzuki Boulevard 800 with only 21,118 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a fairing, passing lamp visors, front fender ornament, air wings deflectors, handguards, speedometer visor, Mustang rider and passenger seats, Harley-Davidson leather tour pack, luggage rack, a LEHMAN TRIKE kit, mud flaps, aftermarket exhaust, Harley-Davidson windshield pouches, tank bib, tank pouch, an Eclipse head unit, fairing speakers, an accessory port power outlet, front turn signal visors, custom murals, and pinstriping, as well as trike-mounted luggage racks, an air horn, and highway pegs. Reminiscent of classic cruisers, the Boulevard stands out in a crowded metric class with contemporary power and reliability. Powered by an 805cc V-twin engine, the Boulevard puts 45 horsepower and 47 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it has a 27.6-inch seat height and weighs in at 644 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.